Hello friends, social distancing has been the most effective tool in the fight against coronavirus, and in this regard we at Divya Software India Private Limited, a AI based company in Bangalore, have developed as a part of our social corporate responsibility a solution which can identify if the people are violating social distance norms. And thanks to Bangalore City Police, this particular solution has already been installed and fully functional under Bangalore City limits. Coming to the key features and functionality of this solution, basically it not just identifies the people in the scene, but also identifies the distance between two people, and if there are any violations with respect to the social distancing norms, then very targeted specific audio alerts are given in regional languages. So this particular system can be integrated with the existing CCTV cameras of authorities like police or civil societies, and what we need is the feed from the camera. Once the feed from the camera comes in, the system identifies people in it using deep learning techniques. Once the people are identified, then comes up identifying or calculating the distance between two people. And this is pretty tricky, friends, because people who are near, they appear bigger, whereas people who are far, they appear smaller, as well as the distances of 1 meter also varies with the distance of the people from the camera. So what we do is we convert this view of the camera to a top view. Once we have this top view, that is, you can see here in the right side there is a distance map. So this is the top view of the scene. In this top view, the people who are near as well as far, they would start appearing very similar. So in this view, we calibrate and we identify if the people are violating social norms. And if there are multiple people who are violating this, then all of these people who are violating would be shown in red color boxes, whereas people who are not violating the norms, it would be in the beige color bounding box. At the same time, we have a count indicator which shows how many people are violating the social norm in this particular scene. Because we have a very specific audio alerts in regional languages, it becomes very effective for people to understand if they are violating, and if they are violating, it becomes very natural for them to move out. So let me quickly come to this demonstration of the system, right? So here it goes. Honda showroom hata social distance maintain madre. Violation near Honda showroom. Please maintain safe distance. Honda showroom hatra social distance violation. Kindly maintain social distance near the Honda showroom. If you see here, the alerts are people near Honda showroom. Kindly maintain social distance. Yes, if you see here, the alerts are.
Please maintain social distancing near Montessori School. Stay safe. No overcrowding near Goli Vada Pav shop. Social distancing required. Do not crowd near Goli Vada Pav shop. Maintain social distance.
Goli Vada Pav hatra social distance maintain ಮಾಡಿ. ಗೋಲಿ ವಡಾಪಾವ್ ಹತ್ರ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಗೋಲಿ ವಡಾಪಾವ್ ಹತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
No overcrowding near Goli Vada Pav shop. Social distancing required. Do not crowd near Goli Vada Pav shop. Maintain social distance. Montessori ಹತ್ತಿರ ಜನಸಂದಣಿ ಗಮನಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ.
So you could see that all the messages, audio messages were in regional languages, and they were very much targeted, saying that people in this region, they are near the Goli Vada Pav shop, and the next region would be something like Karlon shop or even the courier shop. The people in this extreme right end would be near the bank, and on this side we have a ground and then a Montessori followed by Honda showroom. So the messages were very, very targeted, and this makes people very much aware, and it really removes the load from the authorities to monitor and to control. So since we are giving this as a social corporate responsibility from Divya Software India Private Limited. We would urge authorities across the country to really utilize our skill sets and say the solution. We are giving it for free for you to use it, and together let's fight corona and be successful on this front. Thank you so much.